In today's Excel challenge, I have a data set containing dates and absolute deviation percentage. So I want to calculate month by month the number of days that satisfy two conditions simultaneously. So the first condition is the day must be Saturday and the absolute deviation must be greater than 10%. And the expected output is a monthly summary showing the count of qualifying days for each month. I'm going to produce a summary like this. I mean, I have the January 2024 and the number of days, February and the number of days, and in this way, I will count the number of days for the other months. Remember, I only count records where the date falls on Saturday and absolute deviation is greater than 10%. I'm going to solve the entire challenge using a single dynamic array formulas without helper columns. I'll show you how to build the formula step by step for your better understanding. So let's get started. First, I will find the day name by using text function. The value will be my dates, right comma, and in the format text, I'll write my format 3ds, so it will return the day name in short form. As I need to count the number of days for each month, so I have to set the dates of each month to a fixed particular format. So in that case, I will use the text function again because I want to make this date to this format. So the value will be date again, right comma. In the format, I'll write 3M, so it will return the month in short form hyphen and write 2 Ys, so it will show the year in 2 digits format. I'll close the bracket, press enter. Now I have my expected format. Now I will apply my criteria. The criteria is the day must be equal to Saturday. Press enter, it will return true if the day is Saturday. I will apply my second criteria, so I will enclose by round bracket and use multiplication sign to apply and. So the second criteria is the absolute deviation will be greater than 10%. I'll close the bracket, press enter. So you can see I have now 0 or 1. Only rows that satisfy both condition returns 1. Now I will find the unique value of month. I will use the unique function. The array will be my this column. Press enter. I have only the unique value. Now I will check whether each month is equal to this month range. So I will select this range is equal to first month. If I press enter, now I have true, true, true. If I go right down, I have also false because this is not January. Now I will count the number of days for January 2024. So I will multiply this true or false with this criteria is equal to 1. I'll close the bracket, press enter. Now I have only one if the month is January, the day is Saturday, and the absolute deviation is greater than 10%. I will sum them. I'll close the bracket, press enter. Now you can see the number of days for January is 2, satisfying both the criteria. So in this way, I will count the number of days for other months. Now I will combine all the formulas by using let function. And we know by using let function, we can store intermediate result. So let me write the let function. I will use a single apostrophe. Here I will copy the formula and store this result in a variable. I'll write a variable name which is a and paste it here. Right comma and write another variable. I will copy this formula and paste it here. Right comma, write another variable. Right comma, I will copy this formula and paste it here. Here I will just change the cell reference. It will be A. And we know A stores the day name. Now I'll write comma and write another variable which is D. I will copy this formula and paste it here, which is the unique value of month. I will change the reference, which is E4. I'll write B, and we know B stores the month name. I'll write comma, press Alt Enter. Here I will use the map function. I'll just delete the single apostrophe. Here I will use the map function. Array will be T. I'll use the lambda function. I will write a variable which is X. Now I will check each value of X, and X returns the unique value equal to B, and B is the range of month year array. I will apply my second criteria, so I will enclose by a round bracket, and my second criteria is C equal to 1. And we know C contains our qualifying records, and this is actually the heart of the solution. I will use the sum function here, sum. Now I will close all the parentheses if I press enter, and this is my expected result. Now I will use the HSTACK function before the map function to combine the month HSTACK. So the first array will be my unique value of months, which is D. I'll write comma and close the bracket of HSTACK function, press enter, and you can see this is my expected result. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video, I'll show you how to solve this same problem using Power Query. See you then, and thank you.